Hello, I'm Suhas Dikshit, CEO of APChemi. The intent of this presentation is to explore chemical recycling as the next opportunity for empty pesticide container management. Couple of slides about APChemi to set the context. We are leaders in pyrolysis, EPCM and EPC contracts with over 47 pyrolysis plants supplied till date. We have 12 patents in the domain of plastic waste pyrolysis as well as pyrolysis oil purification. And we are developing our own 50 tons per day plastic waste to chemicals plant near Mumbai. We are engaged in exploring synergies with leading global corporates to build sustainable and highly scalable projects around plastic chemical recycling. We are sponsoring PhD chemical engineering researchers at Institute of Chemical Technology, and our global clients include Equate, Unilever, Amcor, Uflex, Shell, among others. Empty pesticide container management is essential due to hazardous nature. Additionally, there are targets for extended producer responsibility as well as plastic circularity for plastic packaging. Legislations around plastic tax are adding even more accountability to plastic recycling. Since Jan 2021, Europe has imposed plastic tax of €800 per ton. From April 2022, the UK will impose plastic tax of £200 per ton. And over next few years, similar plastic tax legislations will be replicated across the globe. Empty pesticide containers can be in the form of rigid containers or multi-layer packaging. For rigid empty pesticide containers, mechanical recycling is possible. However, mechanical recycling of pesticide rigid containers is more of a downcycling since very limited plastic products are allowed to be manufactured from mechanically recycled empty pesticide containers. Empty pesticide containers of multi-layer packaging cannot be mechanically recycled. Hence, if we have to upcycle pesticide containers, then chemical recycling or advanced recycling is the only solution. The companies like Shell, ExxonMobil, BASF, SABIC, and CPChem are few of the leading petchem giants that have publicly announced their chemical recycling ambitions. Optimally speaking, by 2030, five of them put together should chemically recycle 10 million tons of plastic waste per year. Humanity generates 300 million tons of plastic waste each year today, and it will grow to 440 million metric tons of plastic waste per year by 2030. McKinsey and Company says that by 2030, 110 million metric tons of plastic waste needs to be chemically recycled to achieve 50% plastic recycling rates. Based on McKinsey's estimates, pyrolysis-based chemical recycling of packaging is expected to become $100 billion industry by 2030. So what exactly can happen to active ingredients when empty pesticide containers of plastic are subjected to pyrolysis? Well, most of the active ingredients will evaporate before the pyrolysis temperatures are reached. Some will disintegrate before or during pyrolysis, and very few ingredients will evaporate during pyrolysis. APChemi is closely engaged with CropLife International. We have been discussing chemical recycling of plastic waste with CropLife since last couple of years. To build synergies, APChemi is working on permitting required for pilot scale pyrolysis of washed as well as unwashed empty pesticide containers. As next steps, please do not hesitate to contact APChemi. We will gladly explore synergies for chemical recycling of agricultural as well as greenhouse plastic waste, chemical recycling of fertilizer packaging waste, and empty pesticide containers. We also have expertise in biomass pyrolysis. Thank you all, and thank you CropLife International for this opportunity.